In this video, I will show you how to download and install Fortnite on PC or laptop. Downloading and installing Fortnite on your PC or laptop is simple. So the first thing you will need to do is to head over into Epic Games Store. Now sign into your account, and once you're on your Epic Games account, you'll need to go ahead and search for Fortnite using the search bar on the homepage of Epic Games. So in here, simply use this search bar to search for Fortnite. Hit on enter, and on the results, simply click on Fortnite. In here, go ahead and scroll down, click on that get button at the right side, and then this will pop on your screen. Wait for this to load. Now once this loads, click on this place order button at the bottom right to place an order for Fortnite on Epic Games, and to be able to download the executable file of Fortnite. So this will pop on your screen. So go ahead and click on this download launcher button to download the executable file of Fortnite into your device. Now once this has been downloaded into your device, you'll need to simply click on this folder icon beside this executable file under recent download history. So in here, you'll need to click on the Epic installer to be able to start installing Fortnite into your laptop or PC. And that is basically how you can download and install Fortnite on laptop or PC. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.